Here we have another door repair. You don't need to change the whole door. First thing you want to do is notch out for the door saver. Use a hacksaw, then a chisel, and the notch is going to be for this right here. This is called a wraparound door saver. It's for a 1 3/8 door with a 2 3/8 back set. You can also get these for exterior doors, which are thicker. It's $14.95. That's an 1 3/8 thick door, and the 2 3/8 back set. That's to the center of the hole, and the back set goes in there. And you see it has a notch for the back set, which is why I gotta notch the door so you can properly fit on the door. Now this door was cracked. I put glue and crack, some screws. Later on I have to probably sand that a little bit. But if it sits on there just like that, make sure your hole lines up. I have to sand that a little bit. Paint it, you won't see that. Here's the screws installed. Make sure your holes lined up for the back set. And you can check the door, make sure it don't rub on the jamb. Here's the 2 screws for the back set. Make sure you use those on the door saver. And here's with the lock installed. Check it, make sure it's not hitting the jamb. It's not hitting. Good alternative to replacing the door.